Hi everyone, this is how to schedule the auto restart on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. This is recommended by manufacturer to keep your Galaxy phone running smoothly without slowing down or freezing. So let's go to settings and let's find battery and device care right here. Tap on that, scroll down all the way down, and here you see auto optimization. Tap on that all the way down and tap on auto restart. Now here you have two options: restart when needed, so your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected. You can turn on this feature and that's it, but you can also schedule your restarts. For example, on Mondays at 3 o'clock night. So your phone will not be restarted when you use it, so don't be afraid that phone will restart when you receiving a call or when you're playing your favorite game. The phone will only restart when the display is off and you're not using it. But actually my phone is still fairly new and I haven't encountered any issues yet, so I don't see the need for regular restart. This feature might come in handy if your phone is getting older and starts having some issues, so use it on your own, but I recommend you restart when needed. Just I think that's enough, and I think this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day. Bye.